Bossi has designed and developed, over the years, a complete family of planetary brushing machines for round tubes, suitable for every diameter and every type of welding, TIG, laser, or HF, installable both inline and offline. What you are looking at is the PL350 118-600 model, specifically designed for brushing stainless steel tubes on forming lines with laser welding systems, with feed speeds of up to 25 meters per minute. The core of the process is entrusted to two brushes with a diameter of 350 millimeters and a length of 600 millimeters. The speed is adjustable via inverter, as well as the rotation of the rotating disc. Precise control that allows the process to be adapted to different finishing requirements. The working range is particularly wide, from 25 to 195 millimeters. This means covering multiple formats with a single solution, maintaining constant stability and quality. Electronic management is handled by a latest generation Siemens S.R.L 1200 PLC, with a 7-inch touchscreen panel for controlling machine functions and operational settings. Access to the brushing section is provided through two convenient satin stainless steel sliding doors, interlocked, designed to make brush change operations easier and safer. Externally, at both in-feed and out-feed, the machine is equipped with a support roller unit, which prevents deflection and keeps the tube properly supported throughout the brushing phase. At the rear, motors and transmission are housed in a clean environment, separated from the grinding chamber, a design choice that improves reliability and durability over time. Finally, a motorized system allows lifting and positioning of the machine for diameter change, enabling processing on profiles with both fixed groove bottom and fixed tube center setup. In an industrial context where precision, repeatability, and surface quality are increasingly decisive, Bossi S.R.L Planetary machines represent a robust and versatile resource. Decades of experience, in-house design, and application flexibility make these solutions a strategic investment for those who want to achieve a real leap in quality. PL Series: maximum performance, minimal footprint, flawless results.